Hello friends, we are going to determine a practical which is determine the antibacterial activity of lactic acid bacteria using agar-well assay method. In this practical, we are going to determine whether lactic acid bacteria have antibacterial activity or not. So, what is the principle behind it? We are going to understand first. So, we all know that curd contains lactic acid bacteria and it promotes gut health and improve digestion. So basically lactic acid bacteria inhibit growth of harmful bacteria. So in principle we have to understand what are psychrophiles. So basically psychrophiles are those bacteria which grows at 7 degrees centigrade although their optimal growth temperature is high. They are mainly responsible for the spoilage of dairy products. So in principle, so basically minimally processed food are generally deteriorated by four types of microorganisms, which are Clostridium botulinum, Staphylococcus aureus, Bacillus species, and E. coli. So what lactobacilli basically do? Lactobacilli basically secrete four type of ingredients which are mainly responsible for the inhibition of harmful bacteria. So what are them? They are organic acids, hydrogen peroxide, diacetyl, and bacteriocin. Bacteriocin are basically peptidyl toxin or proteinaceous toxin, which inhibit the growth of similar or closely related bacterial strain. So all diacetyl, H2O2, organic acid, and bacteriocins inhibit the growth of pathogen and spoilage organisms. So what are the requirements? Requirement include we will be requiring Nutent agar plates, 24-hour ground culture of Bacillus subtilis and lactic acid bacteria. We are going in this practical. We are going to test Bacillus subtilis. That Bacillus subtilis is sensitive to lactic acid bacteria or not. Or in this practical, we will also require L-shaped spreader for spreading culture, micropipette tips, and sterilized whale borer to punch and make whales. So in procedure, Nutrient agar medium will be melted, cooled, and poured into patty plate. The second thing is culture of Bacillus subtilis is uniformly spreaded by a L-shaped spreader, and whales will be punched by a sterilized whale borer. With the help of micropipette, 100 microliter of lactic acid bacterial culture will be poured on the whales. So here in this whales, 100 microliter in this wells 100 microliter of lactic acid bacterial culture is poured, and plates will be incubated for 24 hours at 37 degrees centigrade in upright position. What may be the observation? What will be our observations? Clear zone of inhibition will be observed around wells. Why we will get a clear zone of inhibition? Because lactic acid bacteria will secrete definitely either bacteriocin or H2O2 or organic acids. So and they will inhibit the growth of Bacillus subtilis. So Bacillus subtilis is basically sensitive to the growth of sensitive, and lactic acid bacteria will definitely inhibit the growth of Bacillus subtilis. So this is the zone of inhibition. You can easily see here less growth due to antibiotic diffusion, and growth of test organism can be easily seen here. So what will be our result? The result will be the given bacterial culture Bacillus subtilis will found to be sensitive to antibacterial compound present in the growth of lactic acid bacteria. So our test organism like Bacillus subtilis is found to be sensitive. Yes. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.